Well, hey everybody, welcome back to Cattywampus Acres. It's Jason, and it is that time of year when it is getting mighty cold. It is actually winter now. We got fooled a little bit with this, I don't know, 70-ish degree weather, and we've had a hard frost, and so we need to get some stuff done around this farm, like harvesting some of these brassicas before they just get ruined. Just checking up on some of the animals. I'm looking at them. Miyagi looks at all these girls with such love. Isn't that right? Isn't that right? Just love, huh? Isn't that right? Isn't that right, Loons? Everybody's hiding out. What are you girls doing? Yes, I know. Look at Joanne. She looks like a straight ball of fur. She is definitely pregnant. We don't know about the other ones. We don't know who else is pregnant yet. Tried to work Miyagi with some of these La Manchas, but we had to do some finagling. Hopefully he was tall enough to get his job done. Let's check over here. Hey guys. Bojangles. Quag. Hey buddy. Ollie, you in your little bed? That's where Ollie likes to be. He's got that, but he loves sitting under the hay feeder here. He buries himself in hay. Gosh, Bojangles, what is the deal? Chickens, they're all sort of preening themselves in the sun. Everybody's good. We'd found out that both the ducks are males. Let me show you. Their tail feathers. You can see a drake curl on each one of them. So they're both going to be males. It's alright. They won't be giving us any eggs, so we may end up harvesting them for meat. So that's alright. We get all these big time rainstorms this time of year and it just mucks up the ground. It's gross. Hey buddy. Hey. Hey. Well, hey. I know I have to cut that tree down. That tree's dead, so look for that in an upcoming video. Or have to fell that tree probably over that way. But yep, they ate all the bark around it, which kills a tree. And we tried saving it a couple times, but didn't work, so that's gonna have to come down. Isn't that right? You guys just are relentless. You're relentless. Fiona not so much. She just stands up on her back legs and eats the leaves, which is pretty ridiculous looking. But all the rest of them certainly did. Isn't that right? Isn't that right? Oh, the other thing is we need to find a buck for these gals. For the girls that aren't bred still, we need to get a buck for them. Got to make sure everybody gets some love this season. Here in the next couple weeks probably, we will be doing a planting video, because it's going to be time to start some stuff in your greenhouses and inside your house so you can get ready for the spring season. But comment down below what you're starting this spring. Oh, you guys got to check this out. This is sort of crazy. I always talk about this tree, but you need to see for yourself. Look at that thing. See all the blooms on that tree? I haven't even gotten a chance to prune it yet, which is my bad, but I have to prune that back quite a bit. But that's our snow angel peach tree, and it is fully in bloom, and it is freezing cold. Radishes, they seem to even take a hard frost and then pop right back up. All these tops aren't phased, but you can see I pulled out a couple of these. This is just where the cats have been, but I pulled out a couple of these, and even though they're really skinny still, they are deep. So even the really small ones are already 4-6 inches deep, which is crazy. So they're going to be doing their job. We'll let them keep growing until we need to plant out here. All right, need to go check on the pigs. And what do you know? They had a shelter. But if you did not know, pigs like to break everything that you build. So hello. They've been rooting pretty good out here. Whoop. Hey, don't touch that. Don't touch that. They're growing. Remember these little tiny things? They're growing fast. And Ernie, he needs to go still. We just need the right time for him to go. But this used to be their shelter down here, and as you can see, it is no more. And then the plan is back here, we are going to, once we get them moved out of here, we're going to do some wildflowers or sunflowers in this easement area back here. So it'll be nice. It'll be all tilled up and ready to go, so all we'll have to do is spread some seed back here. Our Brussels sprouts look great. They're doing well. The cold doesn't seem to hurt them that much. Kale is pretty much unfazed. This is good stuff. This is all Blue Ridge kale, and we can keep eating on that. Elephant garlic, really, I gave it some fertilizer, and that stuff really sprung up. That really helped it out a lot, so it's doing very well. Onions doing well. I just have to get in here with the single tine, get some of this chickweed out here, but other than that, and run my as you can see, I need to run my rows again. Up this chickweed, when it's a little bit chilly, just grows like crazy. But being that we had this hard frost, need to get this poor cauliflower and broccoli out of here. It's gotten so heavy. It's not growing huge yet, but we're gonna have to harvest it anyways. Our cabbage is doing good. The broccoli will get ruined and soft and squishy, so we basically don't have any choice but to harvest it at this point. It's not as big as we want, but it's all right because we'll get some more. We're gonna have a big harvest coming this spring. This green magic broccoli grows so stinking fast. When we do our spring garden out in the big garden, we're gonna do a whole bunch. I'm planning on doing, I don't know, 30 or more heads of the green magic broccoli. I'm looking forward to that. So we're gonna get some good harvest. It's just we were a little late with this, and so we just got in what we could get in, and it's all right. Not a big deal. Not a huge harvest, but we'll deal with it. Taken care of, got that chickweed out of there. We got our broccoli and cauliflower harvested. It is about time we need to figure out this pig situation out here, so got to get them moved and get something done with them. Well, as you can see, we moved the pigs over from here to here. When I say we, I mean Lauren did move the pigs over there. She cleared some brush out over on this side, and this was just way too mucky over here, so it was time for them to move along. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our pieces and parts of this shelter, put them back together over here, and because it's about the perfect size for them, for these three.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time.
These pallets can be nice and sturdy, but the problem is you got to make some cutouts in them to attach them, and so I ended up having to cut out some of these boards on the back so I could access and screw through. That's all. They're already checking it out. Well, you are just about the right size, I'd say, and your two little buddies can cuddle up with you. So this area is going to be temporary, as all of our pig areas usually are, and eventually our goal is to get them back into the woods somewhere over there and get more of a permanent housing arrangement for them, because if you didn't know, pigs are actually woodland creatures naturally, so they like it in there. Keeps them shaded. They don't have to worry about getting sunburn or anything like that, but it will definitely be nice. Look at that. Look perfect. Look at you, already itching. If you didn't know, pigs like to itch. That is their favorite thing to do. Loving it in there. Just loving it. All this stuff repurposed. I bought some screws and I bought some 2x4s. I don't know, 14, 15 bucks into this. Not too bad at all. We've reused this shelter and hopefully it's a little sturdier and lasts a little bit longer now. But for now, don't forget what we always say here. When you homestead, you're home fed. And if you have any friends or you know anybody or you yourself that maybe not subscribed to this channel and you're interested in raising your own pigs, food, growing your own food and stuff like that, please hit that subscribe button down below and the bell notification so you can keep up to date with everything we're doing here on the farm. Don't forget to like this video and share it with anybody that you know that might be interested in homesteading and farming. We'll see you guys next time.